How to change address on Shein account. Let's get started. Launch your Shein app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You'll land to the shop page. Now at the bottom you're gonna find different options. Click on the option of me. With that you'll land to the profile page. Now at the top right you'll find this settings icon. Click on it. You will land to the settings page. Over here you will find different options. Head towards this option of address book. Open it. Now from this page you are able to change address for your Shein account. If you have already added address, it's gonna appear over here. If you wanna edit or delete these address, all you have to do is click on it. Now from here you can make changes and click on save. If you wanna make this address default one, you can toggle on for this option and hit back. If you wanna add a new address, click on the option of add a shipping address. Now you can fill these. So this way you can easily change address on Shein account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.